Finally, the wait is over. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 will be unpacked tomorrow and it is one of the most anticipated smartphones coming this year. I'm eagerly waiting for this bad boy to see in real life. Pretty much all details are leaked and we see images and renders about the phone, but we haven't seen the actual device video. Well, that is also sorted out and a video is leaked about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. A girl in a subway using the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in public and someone standing by his side shot the video and posted over the internet. Well, she didn't notice, so I hope that she doesn't get fired. So it is confirmed Note 10 will have a large screen, looks like a phablet. And the device which she is holding is in black color. There are some other color as well in which Note 10 and Note 10 Plus are coming, like the white, blue, red and gradient color. I must say, looking at the device for the first time, it looks incredible. I mean, look at its display and design. We are hearing the leaks for 90Hz refresh rate screen, but it hasn't been confirmed by any reliable source yet. Ice Universe, Ishar Agarwal and Renault Quadrant has denied these leaks and they said that they haven't heard this feature. So this news is fake and we still see 60Hz refresh rate as we see in other Samsung devices. So Samsung has made Galaxy Watch Active official. At the first sight, it looks similar to Galaxy Watch, but there are some cool new features which are coming in it. One of the most important features is the Samsung has added a heart rate sensor inside the Galaxy Active, which is similar to the Apple Watch, which has helped many patients and saved many lives. Samsung has listened to its customer and bring back the rotating bezels, as many customers are unhappy about the removal of the rotating bezel. Now Samsung has added it back, but no, it is not a physical rotating bezel. Rather than that, it is a touch-enabled rotating bezel. Samsung has added an LTE support in the Galaxy Watch Active and we can use it as a calling device as well. Using with that, we also have the option for watching YouTube inside the Galaxy Active as well. There are 39 activities which watch can perform, and if you are a health-centric person, then that watch is for you. Samsung Note 10 will be releasing tomorrow. As we can expect, it will be a great and a powerful device and we will see it for the first time tomorrow at the Unpacked event. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing and I will meet you tomorrow. Peace out.